Hi everyone. Today I am discussing about Wipro data engineer L1 round questions, and this is the face-to-face round. And they ask about the self-introduction. So you need to introduce your projects and your previous client and what is the problem they are facing and how you solve by using the data engineer team. So these techniques you can explain in the self-introduction. So basically you can explain with the problem statement so they can understand like okay, there is a problem for this project and the data engineering team they are solving, so they can get some idea and they can know how you are dealing with the problem step by step. So these steps you can follow in the self introduction, so that the interviewer can get the like best impression on you in the self introduction itself. And after that they ask about the like the given one full name and how you split into the first name and last name and the middle name, like that. So by using the split function you can do it. And also they given one list and how you convert, like how you reverse the list. So we can use the reverse function, reverse of L, so it will reverse the function. Or also we can use the like the inbuilt function so that it will reverse the list. And he asked about the inner join, so you need to explain the inner join definition, and you can also explain with the table an example. And he asked about the jet cluster, and he asked about how you will give parameters in Databricks. And another question, he asked about stages and tasks in the PySpark, and you can explain with one example, better it is easy to understand to the interviewer. And another question is narrow and wide transformations, and you can explain the definition. And why narrow means like there will be like 1 to 1 partitions and there is no shuffling. In wide transformation you can explain there is one too many partitions and there is a more shuffling in wide transformations, and you can explain with the example as well. Narrow is like we have the filter map functions, and in wide transformations we have examples like group by, joins, collect function. And we ask about the optimization technique. So optimization technique can explain step by step how you performed in previous projects and how you encountered any data skewness issues and how you deal with the failure step. So you can explain how you perform the steps so that you can explain easily and the interviewer will understand. So, and one more question is how you deal with the schema changes in the production. Suppose the source on first day you build the pipeline or you build the notebook. First day the source and sink is running fine and the job is running fine. On next day there is a schema changes like in the source, whether a new column added or any changes happened in the source. So how you handle? So you can explain by using the merge schema method. And yeah, and they given one example like the Mumbai 40001, and we need to get output like Mumbai 1 column and this pin code 1 column. You can explain with regular expression based on your technique. And one more question is, this is very important, like there is a table like we have gender column and we need to swap like wherever the male is there, and we need to swap to the female and female to male. So we can use the with column by using the PySpark. So we can use with column and we can mention the gender, and when df.gender is equal to f, we need to swap with the f. And when df.gender is equal to f, we need to swap as m, otherwise not. And also they will ask about any new technologies you are working in the previous projects like fabric, so you can tell accordingly like I have knowledge on that, but currently we are not implementing fabric. So sometimes they will ask how you are updated with the new skills, or you are how you are curious about learn the new things. So yeah, these are the Wipro data engineering questions for L1 for 4 years of experience. Thank you.